Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to a brand new week. Now we have a new theme this week. I'm going to show you a poem, and I want you to put on your thinking cap and see if you can think of what our new theme is. Okay, get ready. Follow with my pointer. Hickory dickory dare, a spaceship flew up in the air. An astronaut in white guided its flight. Hickory dickory dare. Think to yourself what our new theme is. Say it out loud. Kiss your brain. If you said space. Our new theme for the next 2 weeks is going to be talking about space. So I have in our special pocket chart our theme word, space. Let's turn over the first card. Up in space, we're first going to learn about our solar system. And our solar system, where our planet lives, has a special name, the Milky Way. Let's turn it over. Here's a picture of our solar system. Take a close look and see if you can find our home planet, because we're going to be reading about it shortly. And keep in mind the magic number of 8. We'll see later if you can tell me what we have 8 of in our solar system. Okay, join me for our story. We'll see if Flash will come up and join us. The title is Me and My Place in Space, written by Joan Sweeney. And there's the astronaut in white who will be guiding our flight. Notice the rhyming words. This is me on my place in space, the planet Earth. You see the beautiful picture she drew of the planet Earth? Tonight, I can see the moon from my place in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels in a path around the Earth, just like the Earth travels in a path around the sun. The sun is really a fiery star, as big as 1,000,000 Earths. Look at this giant sun she's drawing, and there's our planet, boys and girls, our home planet, and she labeled it Earth. So bright and hot, it lights and heats. Oh, and look, she labeled the sun at the top. Our whole solar system, 8 different planets, including Earth, that travel around and around the sun. Boys and girls, take a close look at her beautiful picture. Notice how she labeled the planets she drew. There's our spaceship taking us on a tour of the planets. See if you can find our home planet. There it is, Earth. On Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, days are burning hot and nights are icy cold. The sun comes up in the west on Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes it the brightest planet of all. Look, it's so bright, our astronaut in white had to wear shades. My place in space, beautiful Earth, is the 3rd planet closest to the sun, and the only one in our solar system where living things grow. Long ago, there may have been life on Mars, but now Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas, bigger than all the other planets combined. Saturn's wide rings are made of ice particles, some big as houses. You can see the ring going around Saturn. On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines for 42 years in a row. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. Its great dark spot is a giant cyclone, which is like a tornado, where winds blow at 700 miles an hour. And long ago, this tiny planet, it's called Pluto, used to be considered one of the planets. But now it is so tiny, you see how tiny it is, that we don't call it one of our planets anymore. But as big as our solar system is, it is only one tiny part of the Milky Way. That's even bigger than our solar system. It's the galaxy that we live in, an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars, some with solar systems of their own. And the Milky Way is only one of the many, many galaxies in the universe. So many, you might run out of numbers to count them. And the universe is so gigantic. You could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. That is hard to imagine, boys and girls. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy like mine? Another solar system like mine? Look how she's drawn our solar system, and then she's thinking about if there's another galaxy like ours. Is there another sun like mine, she wonders? And another planet like Earth? I wonder too. With another someone like me? Look at the picture she drew. Another little girl, kind of like her, but on another planet. Could be, she thinks. We are going to learn some of these space words, boys and girls. We're going to learn more about planets, about the moon, about our Milky Way, the galaxy which our solar system is just a small part. We're going to learn about stars, sun, and the universe. Boys and girls, today I want to see if you can remember the names of our planets. Remember that I said, come down with me. Remember I said we were going to think about the number 8. Think about, if you remember, what are there 8 of in our solar system that we read about? Kiss your brain if you remembered that we have 8 planets. I have a little song now that helps me remember our planets. First, we have our star, the sun. Help me sound it out. Sun. The sun is in the middle. It's not a planet, it's a star. And we have 8 planets in our solar system. And here's the song to help us remember them. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Look how big they get. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now, boys and girls, look how I put them out in one straight line, because this is the order that they are away from the sun. So this is the first planet, Mercury. When it orbits around the sun, it goes in a circle all the time, very slowly though, around the sun. Then we have Venus. It also orbits around the sun. Each of the planets move in an orbit around the sun. But let's see if we can remember the names. Ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Sing it with me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Remember that we have 8 of these planets. Today, you're going to see if you can write in your journal and tell some of the facts about the planets that we read today. See if you can name a few of the planets. Of course, you'll remember our home planet, which is Earth. Boys and girls, the next time we read and share a story, we're going to read more about the planets. So I hope you had fun reading and singing about the planets today. Bye-bye.